is not just another student protest. This is probably the biggest crisis that India's examination system has seen in years. Because today, students aren't just questioning one examination, they're questioning whether the whole system itself is fair. For decades, Indian parents told their children, study hard, work harder than anybody else, and merit will reward you. Now the students are questioning whether just merit is enough. Every year, India conducts thousands of competitive examinations. NEET alone is taken by approximately 22 lakh students, JEE by approximately 15 lakh students, and then there are also other examinations like banking, railway recruitment, UPSC, state PSC, and the list goes on. For millions of families, these examinations are not just simple tests, but life-changing opportunities. Let's break down why students across cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore are protesting. This is not because of one isolated incident or one single paper leak, but students rather point to a pattern. Question papers leaking, recruitments getting cancelled, results getting postponed, court cases, and re-examinations. Every cancelled exam sometimes means years of preparation lost and futures postponed. This frustration has been building for years. Different states, different governments, same outcome, and the price is often paid by students. And now these students have taken to streets, demanding accountability, transparent investigations, faster actions, and most importantly, reforms. In short, a system where hard work cannot be defeated by corruption. The government too has responded. PM Modi has assured fast-track courts for paper leak cases, promised stricter action against organized paper leak rackets, and reiterated that the people responsible would face strict punishment. But for many students, it had come only after severe trust erosion. Students aren't just demanding punishment after a paper leak, but are demanding accountability for uncertainty after years of preparation, postponed careers, money spent in these preparations, and most importantly, lives lost. So they're demanding the resignation of our educational minister Dharmendra Pradhan, 1 crore compensation for all the families who've lost their kids to the NEET paper leak, and most importantly, reforms in the educational system. This isn't a fight between students and the government, but it is a fight between merit and mistrust. Every leaked paper doesn't just steal marks, it steals time, confidence, and in some cases, it steals hope. Accountability is important, and it's certainly a first step, but it looks backward. Reforms, on the other hand, are forward-looking. And perhaps the conversation in India now needs to be more around reforms. They cannot build a Viksit Bharat on a generation that doubts the fairness of opportunity. Truth can be looked at from 1,000 different lenses, and this was just my perspective. And I'd love to know yours. Please do let me know in the comments below. Here at Perspective with Indrani, we put everything that happens around in the world into perspective, one story at a time. And if you like videos like this, then do consider subscribing to my channel.